Hi everyone, here's a quick and easy derivation of the ideal gas law. The ideal gas law states that PV is equal to nRT. This equation was derived based on Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Avogadro's law. Boyle's law taught us that volume and pressure are inversely proportional. So we can write that V is proportional to 1 over P. That represents their inverse relationship. Then Charles's law taught us that volume is directly proportional to temperature. So we can write V is proportional to T. That describes their linear relationship. Finally, Avogadro's law taught us that volume is directly proportional to the amount of moles. So we can write V is proportional to N. This describes their linear relationship. So all three of these laws are describing the basic properties of gases and the relationships between them. So why don't we combine them into one proportionality statement? When we do that, we get V is proportional to NT over P. The P is in the denominator because of Boyle's law, and the N and T are in the numerator because of Avogadro's and Charles's laws. Now the problem with this is that it's not yet an equation, since we have this proportional sign, and what we need is an equal sign. So how do we convert this from something that's proportional to something that's equal to? Well, we add a proportionality constant, and this proportionality constant is given the symbol R and is called the gas constant. And because we've added this proportionality constant, we now have an equation that describes the relationship between volume, the amount of moles, the temperature, and the pressure of a gas. And you can see when we rearrange this equation, we get PV is equal to nRT, which is our ideal gas law. So that's how you use Boyle's law, Charles's law, and Avogadro's law to derive the ideal gas law. Thanks for listening and have a great rest of your day.